Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Team 6, which consists of me, Vina Fitratul Fauzia, Anissa Sofwatunida, and Muhammad Nelviandi Mubarak. In this video, I'm going to present our project about creating a Python program that generates a random number with the top of range based on user input, and it will track how many times it takes the user to guess the number. So the first thing we do is to import this module in Python called random. So to generate a random number, we make a variable called random number and use random int with the start of the range is 0, while the end of the range is the top of range variable, because we want to generate this number based on the user input. So the first thing that we are going to ask the user is how large of a number they want to generate. So we ask the user to input the number, and we will make it the variable called top of range. If what the user put is digits, we will convert it to an integer. If the user inputs a number below or equal to 0, we will tell them to type a number larger than 0 next time, and then the program will quit. And if the user inputs anything else other than a number, we will tell them to type a number next time. Now that we have our random number, we want to keep asking the users to type in a guess for the number until they get it correct. So we use a while loop true. We make a new variable called userGuess equal to input make a guess. Then we make sure that what the user typed is a number. If what the user typed is digits, it will be converted into an integer. And if the user put anything else other than a number, we will tell them to type a number next time, and it will continue to the top of the loop. After we convert the user's input into an integer, we put some conditions. Alright, here. The first is, if the user guess is equal to the random number, it will print, you got it. The second one, elif. If the user guess is bigger than the random number, it will print, you are above the number, and it will go back to the top of the loop. And the last one, if the number is not equal to or larger than the random number, it must be smaller than it. So we use else, and it will print, you are below the number. And now, the last thing that we do is to keep track of how many times the users actually make a guess. So to do this, we make a variable here called guesses, and then we put it equal to 0. And now, every single time we start this loop again, we increment add 1 to the guesses variable. At the top of the loop, we put guesses plus equal 1, so it will increment guesses. At the first time it runs, the guesses will be equal to 1, and as the user keeps guessing, it will add 1 to the guesses. And then, when we exit this loop, when this is done, we print out how many guesses the users got. Now, we are going to run this program. I will put number 10. Okay, it tells me to make a guess, so I will put 2. It tells me that it was below the random number, so now I will try to put 8. Now, it was above the number, so let's try to guess again. We were below the number. What about 7? We were above the number. And what about 5? Yep, and now we got it. And it tells us that we got it in 5 guesses. Now we shall run it again. Okay, now we will try to put something other than number here. It will tell us to type a number and ask us to put it again. 8, 4, above the number 3. Yes, we got it. Alright, and that was the number guessing game project. Thank you so much everyone, and I will see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.